Hi everyone, Peter Drew here. Welcome to the RankSpy video tutorial. This software is really so easy to use, it doesn't even really need a demo. But there are a few little hidden features in there that I'll show you. When we gave it to the beta testers, there was no video tutorials, they just got into it and used it and got some stellar results. So let's go. First thing is to add a new project, click on Add New Project. Enter your project name, let's go car insurance. Click on Next. Car insurance is the keyword. Also enter your email address that is associated with Google AdWords account. If it's not connected, you need to connect it. Go to adwords.google.com and connect it. It's easy. We need that there to get the search volume. So you click on Next. Now this feature is extremely cool. Right now we have a list of, these are the different Google search engines that are in our database. These come from softwares that are online right now. So the software knows your location, and right now we're at the end of beta testing, so these are the locations that our beta testers are at. So if I choose .com for example, there are 9 softwares on there. After we launch this software, there will be dramatically more choices here and dramatically more people online. What's really important to note is we get the competition results from these domains, but we also get the autocomplete and suggested term results from these countries. So if I had a local business in UK and I was searching for car insurance, I would select UK, and then I'll get the suggested terms that people use in the UK. So it's really targeted. So you click on Add Project. What the software is doing right now is going out and collecting those autocomplete terms, suggested terms, trends, the terms from Google, from Amazon, from eBay, and from YouTube. It's sourcing those right now. What it's doing is collecting them, storing them in memory, and then uploading them to our cloud server. Once it's done that, it will pop up a window saying project added. I'll pause now. This normally takes around 2 minutes. While this is searching for that content, it's important that you read the instructions PDF that comes with the software. Go to rankspy.biz/instructions.pdf and make sure you read all there, read up on the strategy, read up on the best methods to use the software, etc. Also, while we're here, this button here, the video help button, if ever you get stuck, click on that button and that will take you to our video tutorials. And additionally, we have this option here to start RankSpy when your computer starts. I always leave it checked. I leave my software running so it's faster for everybody else. The more softwares we have online, the faster everything works. As you know, car insurance is a massively competitive term, and what we're doing now is running that through the software, getting the results, and then looking for the result within that niche that we can target, and the software will show you exactly which terms are targetable or not. And the ones that are targetable, we can drill down, grab that term out of the software and put it back in and do it again, and then we will find a whole bunch of terms that we know we can rank for pretty much instantly, particularly with video marketing. Okay, there you go. That took about 3 minutes. Job successfully added. Now what that means is all that data has gone up to our cloud server and is stored on there, but you can retrieve that data from the software client, which I'll show you. So you go to check project progress, scroll down to car insurance, and also note these red X's. If you want to remove a project, click on the red X and that will remove it from the database and from this list. So you click on car insurance, and what it tells you now is it's found 43 results. Now the software is talking to a whole bunch of, or the cloud servers are talking to a whole bunch of other clients and doing all the work to find out how competitive these terms are, each of these 43 terms are. I'll come back once we've got the results. So as you can see here, we've got this green sliding bar and the numbers update as more of the keyword phrases are checked in Google, as you'll soon see. Okay, while that's doing that work, I've pulled up a previous project. I simply put in 4K TV. That is obviously a new and trending product, and these are the results. So what we're looking for are results with low scores in the in title and in your URL columns. And so we found a whole bucket load here. Typically where you'd go from here is find the most actionable term or most buying term, and then put that term in itself and drill down and do another project, and then that will reveal even more. So you can collect those, you can save everything to CSV, and CSV will save the data, the keyword phrases and the competition results over here. If you export to text file, you just get the keyword phrases. But there's more. Say for example, I really like this term here, which is really good. I right click there and copy, and that saves that term to the clipboard. Or I can say go to save image, and that will save the entire viewable window and save that as a JPEG on your hard drive. But as you can see from these results, what that means is here, for example, no one is optimizing their title or URL for that keyword phrase, and very few people are for this phrase or this phrase or this phrase. These are all incredibly easy to rank for terms. So I guess now you're starting to see the power of the software revealing these phrases that people are not optimizing for, and the reason they aren't or do not know about these terms because they don't have the power of the software to do that. The software has found 49 sources, 49 keyword phrases, and each phrase is equivalent to 6 queries to Google. So do the math, 49 times 6 gives you 294 queries to Google. So to investigate the 4K TV niche, that means to do it correctly you need to query Google 300 times, and now we've done that in a matter of 20 minutes. So that gives you an idea of how powerful this software is using the distributed and load balancing technology of all these softwares all over the planet. And currently we've only got 10 online now. When we've got thousands, it will be incredibly faster. I've only really skimmed the surface of the power of this software. You can read the instructions at rankspy.biz/instructions.pdf to find out all the information pertaining to this incredible software. I will see you in the next video.
Hello, Lisa Lockworth here. Guys, as you all know, keyword or niche research is essential to the successful foundation of any online or offline business building. Starting any project using the incorrect keyword terms can lead to a world of pain, as we know. So, to make sure everyone starting off in any business model can create the perfect foundation for really moving forward and avoid wasting valuable time, Peter Drew and I have created the Keyword Research Bible. I want to give you a quick snapshot look inside of the 4 modules of content that we've created. We designed this comprehensive video and PDF collection to be suited for complete newbies and experienced marketers as well. So it's for both. It really has been beneficial to both newbies and experienced marketers. We're also providing a members group with even more resources and live presentation Q&A sessions to ensure that everyone gets maximum results. Our current members are really benefiting from this course, and as you can see from just a few of these testimonials that we've received, they're really liking it a lot. So here's an example, like this one from John Curry. Lisa and Pete, wanted to write this down while it's still fresh in my head. I have so many keyword programs on my PC, I hardly use any of them because they simply don't do what I need them to do. Keyword Research Bible is not just a keyword program. It's a keyword university. I've been a full-time internet marketer since 1999, and I simply cannot believe how much I have learned from this. I'm loving this stuff. So you can see that's just one testimonial, and guys, this is all new, original content with the most up-to-date information and tons of cool tips and tricks with nothing held back. Thanks so much for being interested in this. Peter and I both look forward to seeing you all in the new members area to answer any questions that you may have. Please check out the rest of this page and sign up to get more information.
Introducing our brand new Tube Tornadoes WordPress plugin. We created Tube Tornadoes to deliver automated video blog posting with the addition of a tiered Web 2 linking system using any YouTube channel as a source. Tube Tornadoes does all this on autopilot and is super simple to set up. Additionally, once Tube Tornadoes is set up and running on your site, you'll be ranking in Google for both the video and the blog posts themselves. Once you've installed Tube Tornadoes, you'll notice a Tube Tornadoes menu item on the left, and there are two sub-menu items, which are Tube Tornadoes settings, and the other is the social network auto posting settings. So we'll click on that link and take a look at the social accounts and set those up first. When you first load that page, there are no social accounts there at the moment. You'll notice there's a green button if you wish to add accounts one by one, and there's a highlighted list indicating some of the sites that you can post to. When you click the green button, you can then select from the drop down list each site that you wish to add, and each one will have different inputs depending on what that site requires. For this one, Diago, you require an API key, and there's a link to go to find that, plus your username and password. So it's all pretty straightforward, and you just click update, and you can add all of those accounts one by one. In this instance, I'm going to use the import settings and import all those social accounts from a file. It'll just take a few seconds to import those. And now we have all our social accounts imported, ready for Tube Tornadoes to post links to. And we scroll down, and there's a lot of powerful Web 2 sites in that list. So we've added those, and we'll update. Just take a few seconds to save that. And next we'll go to Tube Tornadoes so we can add a YouTube channel feed. So we come to the add page. Now we'll go and get our channel. You can get a channel URL or a user ID from here. In this case, I've grabbed the user ID, and I'll click on add, and this is fairly straightforward. It tells you where to add the user ID. You can select a category if you add more than one feed. You can post videos from one feed to a specific category. You can select how frequently you want the posts. In this case, I'm going to select every 30 minutes just so I can get posts in there to show you. And then we click save. And that's saved, and that's ready to go. So we'll come back in a second once some of those videos are posted, and I'll show you the videos that have been posted to the site. Okay, here we'll refresh this page. That's the page, and I'll click on the refreshed, and there are the videos which are posted. And as you can see, it posts all the tags and all the description information from those videos, and all the links from those to those videos have all been sent out to all the social accounts, giving you massive backlinks.
Hi everyone, so here's the software, and the purpose of this software is for you to be able to create unlimited, laser targeted, optimized videos that rank really well and rank really fast, but more importantly help your website to rank very high in Google for the terms that you would suggest. All the information is in the PDFs that we supply on how to do that. We do that by dropping links, specific links to your website in the description of these videos, which I'll show you later on. The most important thing is you'll see on every window of the software there's a video help button, so if you ever get stuck you can click on that and that will take you to the video tutorial specific to that section of the software. So let's get started. We've got three main buttons here. These are the three different options that you've got to create videos. You can source images from Instagram, publicly available images from Instagram via a simple keyword or hashtag search. Or you can create a slideshow video from images that you have stored on your hard drive. If you're promoting a local business, the business can supply you, or their social media or their website has got a whole bunch of images that you can use to create a slideshow video about that particular business. Or the third option is you can repurpose existing video content. You can get videos created specifically for whatever it is you're promoting. You can search YouTube under the Creative Commons license and use those videos. The Hangout Millionaire software adds a slide at the beginning and at the end of each video at different durations, so every video you repurpose is unique. With this option, you select a folder that has one or more videos. If you have more than one video in that folder, the software will randomly choose one of those videos each time it produces a new video, meaning you've got unlimited video content. So in this example, we'll use local video folder. So I'll click on there, select the folder on my hard drive that has the videos. The software remembers the last place, so I will select there, and it's told me there's one video in there. If there was more than one video, I can select random or number order, so I can pump out videos in the order that I'd like. Here you can create a new profile, but I'll use an existing one. So here I've used a Snapchat profile that I created previously. This is the text overlay that goes over the first image, and this is the text overlay that goes over the last image. This here is where you set the duration for the first image, and the software chooses randomly between 3 and 5 seconds for each video it creates for the first slide, and 6 to will change it to 20 seconds for the last slide. You can select what color you'd like the text for the first and last images if you like. Click next. Here is where the images are stored on your hard drive. When you use YouTube Live, you need to upload a specific thumbnail image. That image also appears in the Google search results, so it's really cool. When you make slideshow videos, and also there is music in the background for the first and last image, we supply 29 default MP3s, and the software chooses one randomly each time you load the software, or you can select your own to use. Here on the account settings window, you enter your YouTube email address and password, your Tumblr email address and password. You select whether you'd like to post to our VCN network, which is our high authority, high page rank video blog network, where you get links where your video is uploaded there, and you get links back to your video and plus to the website you're ranking. You can post to Blogger. You select whether you want to post to Tumblr or not, and here you select whether you want to create a Hangout video or a YouTube Live video. We'll do YouTube, and it just says your account must be activated in YouTube first to use YouTube Live, and we've got the demo video of that there. Then you click next. Here we are on the video posting settings window. This is where all the fun happens. First of all, if you're promoting a local client, you can put the location of your local client and put the longitude and latitude in there. It's very, very easy. You just enter the address, click go, scroll down, and there's the longitude and latitude. You just copy and paste that straight into the software in here and there, and your videos will rank higher in those specific locations. This is the title here of your YouTube videos. You've got up to 100 characters, and we like to put our keyword phrase twice in the title and use spin tags. So every title that we supply is different. The first video will use the first keyword, the second video the second keyword, etc., etc. Here are the tags that are uploaded to YouTube. We use related keyword phrases, of course. You can select which category you'd like your video to be posted in, or leave it random, and the software will select a category randomly each time it produces a video. Here is the description, and as you can see, we have extensive use of spin tags, which is really, really simple to use. This is where we put the link to the website we're promoting. Now these are what are called tokens, and wherever you put the title token, a duplicate of the title will be placed in the description. Then you have your article content using spin tags, so every time you produce a different video, the article inside the description is different. Now here are the other tokens we use. Wherever you place this keyword token, the keyword you are targeting or optimizing this video for will be placed there. We also have a link wheel token, which links all your YouTube videos together, making them rank higher, of course. The VCN wheel token is wherever you place this token, you will get a link back to the video you've uploaded to my VCN network, giving a link to that, helping that video to rank also. The table of contents token is awesome. What that does, it places 6 timestamps chosen randomly in your video with a link to each of those sections of your video, giving links back from your description to your original video, helping it to rank really, really well. It's awesome. The title token, as I explained up the top, wherever you place the title token, it will be duplicated wherever you place this token. We've also got this check spin tags feature. Every time you click it, you get to see the different variations of your content and how many characters are being used. We have a limit of 5,000 characters in the description, so you can check that here easily. So then you click on next, and we are pretty much done. This is where you enter all the keywords that you would like to create videos for. So for each of these videos, you will get one highly optimized YouTube live video or YouTube Hangout video created specifically targeting each of those terms. You can do up to 10 videos per session. The software will create a video from the first keyword phrase. Once it's created it, it will remove it and then put it at the bottom. So if you do only a couple of videos, you can just restart the software and your keyword phrases are ready to go, all prepped, ready to do the next one. So it's as simple as that. Then all you need to do is click on next and you're up and running. So the software is preparing to render the video. It's adding the slides to the front and back of your original video content. Only takes a minute. I'll pause and come back. So what the software is doing is producing a brand new video using your video content and adding content to the front and to the end of that. It's using image content and sound content. So every video you create will be completely unique. You can repurpose one video literally hundreds of times. I know this because I've done it. The main point I'd like to stress here is this is complete automation. The beauty of that is all you need to do is add your keyword phrases, article content, video content or images, and the software does absolutely everything else. Creates the videos, uploads them, and using the strategies we provide in our PDFs, you get links out everywhere, and these videos rank very fast and very high in Google for the specific terms you are targeting. Okay, the software is finished rendering the video and it's got a pop-up preview window which shows all the work which it's doing, which is creating our YouTube live event, then uploading the video, and it goes from there. It will then go to Tumblr, post a video to an embed of the YouTube live video to Tumblr, plus a different variation of the title and description and tags. So the software does all this automatically. You can walk away and come back and you will get a beautiful PDF report that you can also upload to many document sharing websites, which gives you another level of linking, and specifically more tiered linking. You'll get third and fourth tiered linking back to the website that you are promoting. So it's doing all this automatically, creating a live event, updating title, description, tags, uploading the video, and now we'll go to the PDF. So here's the PDF from the last project I did. Here you will see the Tumblr blog where it's created and the link, the anchor text used in the Tumblr, the YouTube video, that is the title. Here is the description with the link highlighted in the PDF. Each of these descriptions are different. The exact YouTube URL, now the same YouTube link but with the anchor text for that keyword phrase we're using, and there's a duplicate for this for every video created. These PDFs of course are also awesome as reports to use to send to your clients. So there you go. So as you can see, the software is all working in the background. You can just walk away and come back and then everything will be done. Your PDF will be supplied and you can go and check your videos in Google, and there's a good chance a lot of them will be ranking already.